the Litheli Cordless Hedge Trimmer. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Litheli 20V Cordless Hedge Trimmer. I will go over specs, features, and then demonstrate the product. I have included the link in the description below. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a trimmer, blade cover, user guide, battery, and charger. The hedge trimmer features 20V cordless, 20-inch dual-action, anti-rust laser cut steel blades. Can cut up to 5/8 inch thick at 2700 strokes per minute. 2 amp hour battery with a 25-minute runtime. Weighs 4.6 pounds and a noise level of less than 95 decibels. Overheat, overcharge, and circuit protection, and it takes 60 minutes for a full charge. Taking a look at the hedge trimmer a little bit closer, you can see the 20-inch blade, the handguard on the front, lock on and off, grip, rear handle, and the on and off. The trimmer feels solid and the handles provide a nice grip. You have the branding on the side, and overall it feels very light. You can see the handguard on the front and the sharp blades on the front. Taking a look at the back, you have the slot for the battery, and it just slides right in. And the blade cover also just slides right in, easy to install. And here you can see the battery installed on the back. Just like the other 20V devices, it comes with the standard charger with the indicators and LED lights, along with the battery with a status indicator so you can see the current charge. And charging the battery is simple. Just slide it on top of the charger until it clicks into place. Now I'll do a short demonstration with the hedge trimmer. Overall, I found the hedge trimmer to be an excellent tool, and I like the versatility of not dealing with any cords. It was able to handle the task as you can see in the video, and it makes a good companion to the other 20V tools that they offer. And here you can see the blower at work as well. So that is my review of the Litheli 20V Hedge Trimmer. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.